Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my new video on curve fitting. Fit a second degree parabola for the given data. Equation of that parabola is y is equal to a plus bx plus c into x square. Given data is like this. We have values for x and corresponding values for y as values for x are 0, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, and corresponding values are 1, 0, 3, 10 and 21. For these values we have to fit a parabola. Therefore, to fit that parabola we have to use the normal equations as given below. There are three equations. The first one is n into a plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square is equal to summation of y. Therefore, once again I will repeat that first equation. It is n into a plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square is equal to summation of y. Second equation as a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube and summation of is equal to summation of xy. Second equation. And the third, a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x raised to 4, and that is equal to summation of x square y. Therefore, these are the three normal equations to obtain that best fit for parabola. Then in next part we have to make a table using the given points. Table containing first column for x, second for y, third for x square, next one for x cube, next for x raised to 4, then x into y, and lastly x square into y. Then we put the values for x as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding values are 1, 0, 3, 10 and 21. Then making a square of x, we get 0, 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Then cube of x as 0, 1, 8, then 27 and 64. 4 cube is 64. And next x raised to 4. It is 0, 1 or the square of x square, that is 0, 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, 9 square is 81 and 16 square is 256. Then next column of product of x into y, 0 into 1 we get 0, 1 into 0 we get 0, 2 3 are 6, then 30 and it is 84. Last column of x square into y, 0 into 1 we get 0, 1 into 0 it is 0, though I have written it 1, it is 0, next one is 12, 90 and last value is 336. Then a summation of x, sum of all these x points is 10, then summation of y is 35, summation of x square is 30. Then summation of x cube 0, 1, 8, 27 and 64. If we add all this, we get that sum as 100. Then summation of x's to 4, adding 0, 1, 16, 81 and 256. We get that sum as 354. Then summation of xy 0, 0, 6, 30 and 84. That sum is 120. And for the last column, summation is 439. It is not 439, it is 438. Therefore, make the small correction. And then we summarize all the points. N is equals to 5, total number of points. Summation of x is 10. Summation of y is 35. Summation of x square is 30. Summation of x cube is 100. Summation of x's to 4 is 354. And summation of xy 120. And summation of 439. Summation of x square as 438. Make the small correction. Then, using these values in that normal equations. Once again, I will repeat that equations. The first one is n into a. First one is n into a plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square is equals to summation of y. Then a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube, and that is equal to summation of xy. Then the third, a into summation of x square, b into summation of x cube, c into summation of x raised to 4 is equal to summation of x square y. Substituting values, n as 5, we get 5a plus summation of x is 10, therefore 10b. Summation of x square is 30c is equals to summation of y. Summation of y is 35, equation number a. Then second equation becomes summation of x is 10 into a, then 30b, then c into summation of x cube, 100c is equals to summation of xy, it is 120, equation b. Third equation, 30a plus 100b plus c into summation of x raised to 4. X raised to 4 is 354. Summation is 354 into c is equals to 438. Equation C. Then we have to solve this simultaneous equation in terms of A, B, C by any known method. Here I am using matrix technique which you have studied in first year of engineering. Therefore, that knowledge is with you. Therefore, we write down the augmented matrix, a matrix, combined matrix of matrix A and matrix D, 5, 10, 30 and 35, then 10, 30, 100 and 120 on the right hand side, then 30, 100, 354 and 438. We separate it by dotted line, matrix A and matrix D. Then applying elementary row transformation, we try to convert it into its canonical form. First row keeping as it is, Then we are making 10 and 30 as 0 by using this transformation R2 minus 2R1 and R3 minus 6R1. First row no change, 5, 10, 30, 35. Changes in second by this R2 minus 2R1, 10 minus 10 we get 0. Then 30 minus 20 we get 10. 100 minus 60 we get 40, 40. Then 120 minus 70 we get that value as 50. And for third row 30 minus 30 we get 0. 100 minus 60 we get 40, 40. 354 minus 180. Therefore, that term is 354 minus 180, we get 174. And 438 minus 6 into 35, we get 228. It is not 229, it is 228. Make the small correction. Then 40 minus 4 times R2 means first two rows no change. First and second row as it is no change. Changes in the third row by that R3 minus 4R2, 0 minus 0 we get 0, 40 minus 40 we get 0, 174 minus 160 we get that value as 14, 14. And 228 minus 200, 50 into 4, that is 200. Therefore, we get that value as 28. It is not 29, it is 28. It must be 28. And then, if we see that correction, here it is 1 minus 0, it is 0. And therefore, it is 438. And the corresponding changes in the equation also. Last equation. Therefore, it is not 439, it is 438. Everywhere we have to make the change. Last row, it is 438. Here it is 228. And therefore 228 minus 200 we get 28. This matrix is the canonical form of that matrix, as all the principal diagonal elements are non-zero and lower diagonal elements are 0. Then we determine the rank of matrix A. Number of non-zeros are 3, and rank for the complete matrix AD matrix. Again there are 3 non-zero rows, therefore rank is 3. And as that ranks are equal and equal to the number of unknowns, system has a unique solution. The given system has, or obtained system has, unique solution. And therefore to obtain that solution, once again we write down the equation as 5a plus 10b plus 30c is equals to 35, 0a plus 10b plus 40c is equals to 50, and third row 14c is equals to 28. Equation 1 in Roman letter, 2 and 3. From last equation we get the value for c as 28 by 14, that is 2. Put it in the second equation, we get value for b as 10b is equals to 50 minus 40c. Substituting value of c as 2, 50 minus 40 into 2, that is 80. 50 minus 80 as minus 30, and therefore we get the value for b as minus 3. And then substituting these two values of b and c in equation 1, we can determine the value for A. 5A is equals to, we get the term on the right hand side is 35 minus 10B and minus 30C. Substituting values of B and C, which is 35 minus 10 into minus 3 minus 30 into 2. It is 35 plus 30 and minus 60. 65 minus 60, we get 5 as 5, means A as 1. And then substituting these values of A, B, C in that equation of parabola, non-linear equation, y is equal to A plus bx plus c into x square. And therefore we get that equation as A as 1, B as minus 3 into x, c as 2 into x square, and hence we get that equation as 1 minus 3x plus 2x square is the required answer or the required best fit for the parabola. This is the best fit obtained by least square method. Please like my video, hype it, as well as share the video and subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.